Hello, my glamorous besties. Welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi, and we're going to do some string and chain pull art. I've been seeing a lot of people do it. Actually, the first thing I saw somebody do it on was actually a canvas. And then I started to see people doing it on nails. So, again, yesterday, YouTube offered me a really cool video of somebody doing the chain pull technique, but again, it was on a canvas, and they used those circle chains. I don't have any of those, so I just decided to grab a chain from my jewelry making kit and see if that would work, and that's what we're going to do right now. I'm just dotting some polish on there. Now, I've seen people do it a lot of different ways. We're also going to do it with the thread, and we're going to put the polish directly on the thread instead of doing the dots like we're doing with the chain. And you can put the polish on the chain too. I've seen doing it that way. And so we are going to try this technique other times and try other ways. This is actually like the second time that I've tried this. The first time I tried it, I just did it off camera, and it was a real mess, and I didn't like it at all. So I just gave up and moved on and decided I would come back and try it again. And that's what we're doing now. These are my second attempts at trying this. Now on this one, I think I put too much polish, but as I pulled it, I really liked the effect of it. It seemed like a really weird feather to me, so we kept it. Now on this one, I decided I would just do a clear top coat on top of the thing we already did. And there's the one that sort of came out like a feather up there. Now I'm gonna, on top of that top coat, I'm gonna come in with a few more dots, and we're gonna go the opposite direction. I'm not sure if I like how it came out, but here's me struggling to figure out how to do it. Oops, I didn't like it, didn't like it. And still not sure I like it. I should have held the chain a little better. This is just a learning process, guys, so go ahead and forgive me for not doing it correctly, because trust me, I'm not doing it correctly. Okay, so now we're gonna come back in and do some more dots. This one, actually, I kind of dig it. I think it ended up looking a little bit like fire. Now, when you're doing it with your polish bottle brushes, please make sure you're wiping off in between, because it might not get on there, but it might, and that's why I looked at it before I put it back in the bottle to make sure there was no other polish on there. If there is, please make sure you wipe it off. And now I'm just going to pull down. Ooh, and I like how that came out. I think it looks a little bit like flames. So what I decided to do was just sort of steer into the skid on that and drag these up a little into points so they look a little more like flames. I don't know, you tell me, was that the right choice? Should I have just left it the way it is? Let me know. Let me know, guys. But I don't know, I kind of like the effect of it. I think it turned out okay. Like I said, this is really just a practice sesh for me. I really need to continue working on it. And like I said in the last video, guys, my creativity is hurting right now. I'm struggling. So if the next few videos are not my best, please forgive me. This is me coming in to redo those little tips. I didn't like them. And I just thought I would show you some of my mistakes in here too, because, you know, maybe the whole down thing is a mistake, you guys. You tell me. Am I totally off the mark on these? I think they came out kind of cute, but sometimes what you think is cute, everybody else thinks is ugly. I recently kind of figured that out, that sometimes I think something's cute and it's not cute to anyone but me. So that's got to be okay, though. That's got to be okay. Now, the one of the things I had seen on a canvas recently was somebody doing an owl. And I didn't think I could really make that happen because it looked super advanced. But I thought maybe I could make a butterfly. So that's my attempt at a butterfly right now. Oh, laying it down badly. And now I'm almost just letting it fall on its own to create that upper wing, upper part of the wing. And now I'm just coming in here at the bottom to make a smaller bottom section of the wing. And when, there we go. I'm not sure if that's really a butterfly shape, but we're going to steer into it. I'm going to take some white. You see how there's two lids there? My lid came apart. So there's the bottom part that actually fits to it. Didn't like that. We're going to come in and really follow the shape of the swirls there and just sort of create the shape of a butterfly wing. Didn't like that. We're going to keep following and bring it out some, as I really wanted to bring in more of the shape of the butterfly wing, and we're going to do that with this white polish, and we're going to sugar that, although I don't leave it sugared. I thought I might, but then I decided, no. See, I shouldn't have zoomed in so much because I end up coming off frame a little bit, but not too much. Only a tiny bit, you guys. Only a tiny bit. I end up top coating the sugaring in the end because I just wanted it to stand out a little more, and I felt like the top coat was going to help with that. So I'm just coming in and refining the shape of that wing. And in the end, see, I popped out a little bit, and that's because I zoomed in too much. But I really wanted you to be able to see the white polish because it is a very, very subtle look. Now we're going to come in with a little bit of yellow glitter, and I thought, blah, blah, blah. I thought the yellow just went really good with the two different greens. Here's what I should have done, though, is I should have wiped off the sticky layer before I started putting the white polish on, because getting off the extra glitter, as you can see, that took a little work, y'all. Okay, because it really stuck to the sticky layer. I had to wet my brush with cleanup fluid and just really go to town on it. So, learn by my mistake. Wipe off those sticky layers before you go to the next step if you're going to be using glitter. Okay? Okay. Wow, I felt like claws there for a minute. Who is missing claws? Oh my God, you guys, claws. I miss claws so much. If you are still watching this video and you want to be featured in next video, which will be Fridays, please comment claws in the comment section below. Woo! I miss claws so much, y'all. Now I'm coming in with some top coat on all of these nails. And, you know, this butterfly one, I dig it, guys. I dig it. It's not perfect. It's a little bit too subtle, maybe. But it's my subtle little glitter drag marble butterfly. I like it. I'm going to go ahead and say I like it. This flame one, though, oh, it's fire. Oh, did I just say it's fire? Oh, my goodness. I did. I did say it's fire. And this this blah, blah, blah. The feather one, I did draw a line down to sort of, I think that was a mistake, to sort of mimic the middle of the feather. I don't know the parts of a feather name. I'm sorry. But this was all just a practice session, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Here we are with the finished nails. I think that they came out okay for my practicing. For practicing. They're not perfect. But you know what? Nothing is. And so I'm going to transcend that. Just going to transcend that feeling of not being perfect. I just wanted to give you one more up close look at that butterfly ish sort of thing, and the feather, which, guys, it's not really a feather, but I just leaned into the idea that it looked a little like a feather to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you Friday. Please click my buttons. Mwah! Bye. Bye.